Get the salad and the garlic bread.
Here's
ready.
the recipe for
Chicken Parmesan Meatballs and Marinara Sauce. First, let's make the Marinara Sauce. Next, let's make the meatballs. That's a pound of ground chicken, y'all. Let's add a few ingredients, mix it up, and make those meatballs. Let's mix it all together. Use your fingers to form the meatballs. Don't forget to subscribe for more entertaining videos. After placing the meatballs in the marinara sauce, sprinkle with cheese. Bake in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes.